Pitanga House was designed to take full advantage of the natural landscape, orienting the most important views toward the densest part of the surrounding native forest. The plot sits within an environmental reserve where native vegetation grows abundantly. This condition guided the orientation of the main openings toward the denser part of the forest without compromising any views, since on all sides of the 800 square meter plot, large trees are always in sight. Pitanga House was created for a family who decided to leave one of the busiest neighborhoods in the city of São Paulo to live in Santa Isabel, a city located about 55 kilometers from the capital. Its concrete construction makes it appear like a stone among tall trees and greenery, aiming to create a smooth transition between nature and what is built by human hands. The ground floor is quietly inserted among the tall trees, with large glass panels that can open or close, controlling the level of integration between the living and dining rooms and the outdoor leisure area and pool, which are on the same level. At the lowest level, a concrete volume is embedded into the natural slope of the land. This area contains a home office for the couple, who now work from home, along with a garden and vegetable patch, a space for the care of the family's dogs, 2 English shepherds and a mixed breed, and a room for the pool equipment. Access to these spaces is via a prefabricated concrete helical staircase, which creates a path and a sense of displacement, even within the same property, as a symbolic gesture of going to work, even if that means simply leaving the main volume behind. The ground floor also includes 2 enclosed sections, one for a small ground-level apartment, and another that gathers the kitchen, laundry, service area, outdoor grill, and the staircase leading to the upper floor, where the bedrooms are located.